Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a great Sat Sri Akal to all my friends in Indian Punjab and elsewhere, wherever you are. This time we are here at Divanistan of this Gurdwara Sahib, and this is situated in Kartarpur Sahib, and very soon this is going to be open for you guys, so you can come over and you can have all your rituals here. So this video is going to be it's quite a spiritual video, and I came here on purpose so that I could basically touch those things in your heart, and then I'm going to link them with the IELTS preparation, right? So I'm making this video in English instead of Punjabi so that other people could also get benefit from this video. So anyways, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਖਾਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਖਾਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਲਾਉ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਖੋਲਿਆ. So we are really thankful to them. Anyways, coming back to IELTS, I was just telling you about vocabulary. Now we are going to learn how to develop a range of vocabulary. In the previous video, I told you how to acquire a new word. Whenever you are going to acquire a new word, how to acquire that. I gave you a 7-step formula for that very word. But now I'm going to tell you how to develop a range of vocabulary. In order to do that, you need to go for word building, and you need to focus on lexical items. Collocations. Now collocations are very important. It's a likely combination of words that go together. Now, for example, if I say international boundaries, this is collocation. International tourism industry, these are collocations. The words that go together, we actually call them collocations. Okay, number one, for example, if it is shrug your shoulders, like this, you shrug your shoulders, then strong criticism. Now strong and criticism, they are collocations. So in order to improve your vocabulary, you need to focus on collocations. There is another thing which I learned in a seminar. We call it colligations. 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 Now what are the colligations? They are basically grammatical phrases which come together. So you can learn those as well, like have been, has been doing, and all that stuff. So these are the colligations. After that, we have chunks. Chunks are very important. That's what I usually call my son and my daughter. I call them naughty chunks, right? So the chunks are basically a group of words longer than a collocation. Collocations consist of 2 or 3 words, but chunk is basically a group of words longer than a collocation that seem to go together to form a single item of language or a piece of ready-made text. So you can Google for chunks and you can find many chunks there. Then we have fixed expressions. Fixed expressions like what's up, how's life, what's up, and all that. So chunks that are fixed and cannot normally be varied in form and meaning. This includes idioms, cliches, sayings, and phrasal verbs. Now there's a brief warning. Do not use any idioms in your IELTS writing, but instead of that you can use some phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are good, idioms are not good for IELTS writing. After that, we've got some prepositional phrases. You can Google all these things. So when you're developing your range of vocabulary, there are 4 things you need to do, rather 5 things. The first is collocations, second is chunks, third is fixed expressions, fourth is prepositional phrases and colligations as well. Now prepositional phrases are basically to come across, basically there is a verb, there is a preposition, and it's a complete prepositional phrase. So remember, whenever you're going to develop your range of vocabulary, these are 4 categories and you need to improve your vocabulary over there. Once again, I'm thankful to you all, and I hope you would have liked this place. This is a very holy place. After Nankana Sahib, this place is very holy for Sikh religion and for Sikh people. So I thought I should come over here and make this video for you. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to comment on this video. Tell me, how do you feel about this place? I mean, what are your feelings about this place? And even you can tell me further about the importance of this place as well. Thank you very much. Other than this, I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Kartarpur Sahib. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.